My heart is in the right place, my mind is in another. Cash in my left hand, a pistol in the other. When confusion takes place, I tend to pace. Smoke a blunt aloud to the face. Sit down and create is what I need to be on. When my mind and heart is worn, I find the world to be born. She just ended in the morning, got a handful of nothing. And these rats that I be fucking ain't really worth shit but a nut. Ducking straight bullets when I wake and I still don't complain. Just wonder how much more that I can take. Streets dry and the city is a mess, and they wonder why a motherfucker stress. They say the Lord test you, won't put you through nothing you can't endure, but sometimes I just can't take it anymore. The pain I can't ignore got me wondering what I'm here for. Every night I pray to God to give the man the earful. I've done a lot of dirt, but in my heart he know I mean good. Travel around the world, but in my heart I remain hood. Meanwhile, it feels like I'm sinking, and every day I'm drinking, trying to comprehend some meaning. At the bottom of the bottle, took a fifth of some doubtful. They say the final sip is hard to swallow, it can drown you, but I need it. Sipping in the flak jacket, trying to make the time pass backwards. I hope it's working. On the surface, trying to find some kind of purpose, cause no man ever wants to feel worthless or without love. And if they say they do, they lied, or have no reason to survive. Now check this, my ex-bitch wanna fuck my enemies. I guess that's a way of trying to get back at me, but I don't care. It's whatever, only thing that lasts forever is death. We all meet that one day or the next, so fuck it. Don't be heartless, just learn to use my heart less, and never will I stress over bullshit. Listen, don't be heartless, just learn to use my heart less, and never will I stress over bullshit.